In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a default theme in Microsoft PowerPoint, a handy tip for enhancing your workflow and ensuring your presentations start off on the right foot. If you're someone who frequently creates PowerPoint slides, you probably have a go-to theme that aligns with your style or corporate branding. Setting this as your default can save you precious time and streamline your design process. Let's dive in and explore how you can customize PowerPoint to reflect your aesthetic preferences automatically every time you open a new presentation. First, let's get started by opening Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. Once opened, head over to the top navigation menu and select the file you want to work with or create a new presentation. Once you have your presentation open and ready, you'll need to find and click on the View tab located in the ribbon at the top of the PowerPoint window. The View tab gives us access to different ways we can look at and organize our slides, but for this task, we are specifically interested in accessing the Slide Master. Within the View tab, locate and click on the Slide Master button. This will open a special mode where you can edit design elements that apply to all slides within your presentation. Think of the Slide Master as the control center for the main design elements of your presentation. It's where you can manage layouts, backgrounds, fonts, and of course, themes. Once the Slide Master view is open, navigate to the top of the window and find the Themes drop-down menu. Clicking this button will show you a list of all the themes available in PowerPoint. Take a moment to scroll through the options. Each theme you can choose from will automatically apply a cohesive look to your entire presentation, so be sure to pick one that aligns with your desired appearance. When you've found a theme that suits your needs, simply click on it to apply. This action sets that theme as the default for the current presentation. Subsequently, whenever you create a new presentation, PowerPoint will open with this theme already applied, saving you from having to manually select it every single time. If you want to confirm the change, you can close and reopen PowerPoint to ensure the new default theme settings have taken effect properly. This handy technique is excellent for maintaining consistency across all your presentations, especially if you're dealing with branding guidelines or specific corporate styles. Not only does it help keep your presentations visually consistent, but it also cuts down on the time spent setting up each new presentation. As you become more comfortable customizing the Slide Master, you'll find that there are numerous ways to tailor PowerPoint to better meet your needs. And there you have it, folks. Now you're all set to work efficiently with your favorite theme at your fingertips every time you start a new presentation in PowerPoint. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, happy presenting.